Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your calendar to HubSpot. Connecting your calendar to HubSpot is a powerful way to streamline your sales and marketing efforts. It helps automate meeting scheduling, log activities, and keep your team organized. This integration ensures that all your important client interactions are captured directly within your CRM, saving you valuable time and reducing manual data entry. Let's dive into the simple steps to get this set up. Now, let's choose your calendar service. From your HubSpot dashboard, click the gear icon for settings, then select integrations from the left-hand menu. Look for Calendar and click to connect. You'll then be presented with options for Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. Select the one you use, and HubSpot will guide you through the authorization process. This typically involves signing into your calendar account and granting HubSpot the necessary permissions to sync. Once connected, it's time to configure your sync settings. HubSpot allows you to customize how your calendar interacts with your CRM. You can specify which types of meetings automatically log as activities on contact records. Additionally, you have the option to automatically create new contact records for attendees not already in your HubSpot database. Take a moment to review these preferences to ensure they align perfectly with your team's workflow and data management needs. With your calendar successfully integrated, you'll immediately experience several benefits. Automated meeting logging saves significant time, ensuring no interaction is missed. HubSpot scheduling tools, like meeting links, become even more powerful, allowing prospects to book time directly on your calendar. This seamless connection enhances data accuracy and provides a comprehensive view of customer interactions, empowering your team to work more efficiently and effectively every single day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.